What's going on, everybody? Paul Tech here. Now, when I was at CES, I did have some time to use the Huawei Mate 10 Pro, and I gotta say I was actually very impressed with this device. I absolutely love this blue color. You got Huawei branding to the bottom there. Now this display is very nice. Colors are nice and vivid and bright. It's a 6-inch 18:9 aspect ratio, so that's 2160 by 1080, and it is an OLED panel. To the right hand side, you got your volume rockers, your power button, and they feel very solid, tactile, and responsive. Now this does have IP67 certification, so you are going to get that water and dust resistance. Pulling down the status bar, as you can see, you got your wide variety of quick toggles to choose from Wi-Fi, Bluetooth. You can also edit these if you like. Most importantly, this does have NFC, so you're going to be able to use Android Pay, Android Beam. Jumping into settings, you can pretty much see the layout, and the additional features continue into settings. And this Huawei Mate 10 Pro also comes with 6 GB of RAM and 128 GB of ROM, so that is a good amount of storage you are getting with the Mate 10 Pro. And the Mate 10 Pro is also rocking the Kirin 970 processor, so that's an 8-core CPU, 12-core GPU. It's also rocking EMUI 8.0 as well as Android 8.0 Oreo, so you got that on board as well. This is also housing a 4000 milliamp hour non-removable battery, but you do got Huawei supercharged technology. And to the back of the Huawei Mate 10 Pro, you got your flash, you got Leica branding right there. Dual camera setup, 20 megapixel plus a 12 megapixel. You also got a fingerprint sensor to the back for some added security. So I'll go ahead and jump into the camera application here just so you can see the camera interface. You got all types of good stuff going on here. Now shutter speed does seem pretty fast on the Huawei Mate 10 Pro. You also got some manual controls on this, so you can change the autofocus, the ISO, and if you slide to the side right there, you get into your additional modes. So you got monochrome, HDR, night shot, you got a time-lapse mode on this as well, slow motion, just to name a few, but you got a lot of different modes to choose from. And you also got the option to record in Ultra HD, so 4K. You can also record in 1080p at 60 frames per second, which is my personal favorite. Optical image stabilization on this. Overall, this is looking like a very nice camera and a very nice looking device. Down-firing speaker, again, this is a glass panel, so expect those fingerprints. But that was my coverage on the Huawei Mate 10 Pro. If you did enjoy, please hit the thumbs up button and please subscribe to the channel for more future videos. This is Paul Tech, and I'll talk to you in the next one.